Hey mama, if you've ever wondered how you can help facilitate learning in the very early days of your little one's life, stick around because I am sharing some really helpful tips. So I know a lot of parents are curious about how they can facilitate learning and development in the very early days of their baby's life. And the simple answer is through play. Play is so important for your baby. This is their main occupation in life, as so much learning is happening through this very occupation. So besides the obvious fact that play is really motivating and is going to capture your little one's attention and imagination, they are actually learning life skills through play. So whether that's problem solving, whether that's fine or gross motor development, visual development, you name it, play is where all of it happens. So in this video, I wanted to drop 3 quick tips that are really going to enhance play and enhance your little one's learning while they play. Okay, so tip number 1 is to change the environment in which you are playing with your baby. So whether you're going from inside to outside or vice versa, or maybe even playing in a car, wherever it is, your baby is getting a whole new sensory experience based on the environment around them. So if you're outside, depending on the time of day, they're exploring shadows, they're exploring brightness, right? So even doing something simple, but changing the environment can be a whole new play experience for your baby. Okay, so the second tip that I have for you is try to use the same toy or object in different ways. So you can do this by, for example, this is a Lovevery rattle that I have. And so obviously it's a musical instrument. You can jiggle it around, cause an effect for your baby, but it's also going to roll on a flat surface, right? So showcasing different ways in which your baby can engage with different objects is such a great way to enhance play and learning and start to teach about things like problem solving. While on the other hand, tip number 3 is to allow your baby to explore uninterrupted. So while tip number 2 was all about showcasing different ways in which your baby can play with different items, it's also really important to let your baby just explore without you showcasing different things or ways to play, because they are brilliant little beings and they're discovering things through their eyes that maybe we can't see. So these brilliant little beings on their own are able to use their imagination and problem solve and explore in different ways that maybe we hadn't thought of before. So it's really important to give your baby uninterrupted playtime where they are able to just freely look around them, freely able to grasp different objects, turn it over, bring items to their mouth, because all of that, while it seems very simple to us, is very huge in terms of their development, right? For instance, hands to mouth. If they're going to pick up an item and explore it with their mouth, so many neural connections are taking place about where the object is in space and how to bring it to the mouth. And then the tongue is exploring the object. What does it taste like? Is it soft or is it hard? Is it hot or is it cold? Is it salty? Is it not? So there are so many beautiful things taking place when we allow our baby to simply just explore the environment around them. And the final bonus tip is to keep it simple. The less items your baby has in front of them, the better. It's really easy, especially for younger babies, to become overstimulated and overwhelmed by too many objects around them. So give them one object to explore. It doesn't even necessarily have to be a baby's play item. Just make sure it's safe and it's not a choking hazard or anything that's going to harm your child. But simple objects in your everyday environment, in the home or outside in your backyard, can be a great source of play for your baby. So whether that's a leaf that they can crinkle in their hand or a can that's a bright color and it rolls, simple everyday objects are a great opportunity to explore the world around them. All right, you guys, I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye.